Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can permanently shut down your Payoneer account. But before that, please make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, what we're going to do is, first of all, we have to simply make sure that we have used any remaining funds we have on our account, because once we have confirmed our account closure, any remaining funds in our account will be lost as well. So any funding sources linked to your account will not be available, so make sure to remove them as well, aka unlink them. And the third thing is, you will not be able to use the same email address the next time you want to register. Make sure you keep that in mind as well and create a new email address for new account. Then regardless of the situation, if you still would like to simply close your account, then you're gonna tap on this option of submit the form. So for that, simply visit the pioneer.custhelp.com for the link. Then you're going to tap on this submit the form text. Then you're going to add your first name, last name, which you have been using on your Payoneer account, email address, and then you're going to select why you're closing, the reason from over here. And then you're going to select the use any of the existing funding or not, then choose yes or no, and add in your date of birth, 4 digit of your bank account or your card, your feedback for them, and tap on submit by tapping on this I'm not robot as well. Then your application will be submitted and you will get notified once your account has been closed permanently. That's how it works. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.